Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The soup is hot. The soup is hot. The pot is on the stove. The pot is on the stove. The box is big. The box is big. The fox runs fast. The fox runs fast.
Your turn.